Your Audi gives you the freedom to explore the great outdoors. But before you can take anything, you need to know how to install your vehicle's base carrier bars, which is required for most cargo-related accessories. First, consult your instructions to make sure you have all the required pieces and tools. To get started, make sure the stickers on the front and rear bars are on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and the arrow points in the direction of travel. On the underside of each decorative trim, there are 3 positioning bolts, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. This is where you will mount your roof bars. Now you'll want someone to assist you by holding the other side. Simply pull the claw fasteners out and down to get them into position. Gently pull back the rubber seal and locate the positioning bolts. Now, unhook the claw fastener from the installation position by pulling upward and then swiveling it down. Place the claw fastener over the positioning bolt and carefully slide it in the direction of travel as far as it will go. In some cases, additional pressure may be required. Repeat the procedures for the other side. Now tighten the tension bolt with the wrench until obvious resistance is felt. Do this for each tension bolt, then close the covers and lock them with the key. Once done, repeat the steps for the rear bars. You can mount a genuine Audi accessory by removing the profile cap and simply inserting the accessory into the T-groove slot. If you're not mounting an accessory, seal off the slot by pressing the profile cover into the T-groove. Be sure to cut the trim at the length of the bar for a nice finished look. You're now free to explore.